Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing these 3 polygel kits. My boyfriend's mom actually ordered these for me. It was a really nice surprise, so I just want to say thank you so much. I already told you like so many times, but I'm going to tell you again and again and again, thank you so much. So when you open the box, the first thing you get is this professional LED nail lamp. And I accidentally opened the box the wrong way, and then I realized there was like a flap right there to open it. I didn't realize there was so much in this box, but there's another box. And it has all the polygels, all the nail art, everything. And of course, you get the brush with the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. And for the polygels, there's rose pink, white, nude, light pink, jelly pink, and clear. Underneath all this, you get your hand file, 100/180 grit, you get nail forms, dual forms, a base coat, top coat, and you get 6 beautiful glitters. They were so pretty. As soon as I saw them, I was in love. So here's an overview of everything that's in the box. So next is this rechargeable lamp. I tried to record this like 5 million times, but yeah. This is the lamp. I really like it because I didn't realize, and you'll probably see like later in the video, I didn't realize that it's like motion censored. So that's really cool. I never had a lamp like that. And there's the power cord. So underneath, the lamp has 15 lights, and it has a 30-second and 60-second setting. And then these are the swatches. So this next kit is this WuBeNails Professional Polygel Kit. And it comes with the manual. Next is the polygel. You get 3 light pink, white, and clear. And these pouches, I was so excited to open these. Okay, so this lamp is really nice. It has all those lights. I don't know how many's under there. I didn't count. So in this little box, you get 2 top coats and a foundation base coat. And the other one, I think you get a nail strengthener and slip solution. And this is the cord for the lamp. And also I didn't realize that that brush was there, but that's a polygel brush. for this last kit, it's the SXC Glow in the Dark Polygel Kit Zodiac series. I already have the other one, but they have 2 of them, so this is the second one, I guess. And the colors are so cute. I really like them. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the unboxing. And here is all the swatches from the 3 kits. I really love these colors and I can't wait to use them. I know this video is like kind of weird because I don't do voiceovers at all, but I'm trying to get better. This is my first one, so it's kind of, you know, crazy. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and thank you to my boyfriend's mom. Right after this video, I'm gonna be recording the nail looks I come up with these 3 kits. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.